Are we on video, Bob?
You are. Want to tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, this is the Flyzone Tidewater.
Okay.
Version 1. I don't think there was a version 2.
Okay.
But this is it right here.
Okay.
Overhead prop, 2200 milliamp hour, 3-cell battery.
Okay.
And that's about it. It's on a DX8.
Okay.
That'd work right, perfect, right there behind your house in your pond.
Right, it would. It would. You're right. I got that on tape so I can show it to Nancy. And
tape so I can show it to Nancy.
Linda, bring it in for a landing. Woo! Wow.
just like it was fine.
I think it needs a little bit of trim. Oh, there comes that wind. Bringing it around. Oh yeah, a lot of wind now. Power up, power up.
Screaming down there.
It's going against the wind hard. It is pretty light.
Yeah. I'm not sure he's going to be any good at all.
Yeah, you can get it. Look at that. There. That was close as I'm going to get, I think.
Yeah.
And then we're going downwind again. Making a descent here. Boo! That wind is killing me. There we go.
Boy, look at the wind even on the water.
I know it. Boo! That wind is killing me.
All right.
There we go. It's back in one piece. Definitely. I was seriously thinking about buying another one and just take off the water rudder and these things.
Yep.
And turn it into an FPV plane. Just because you can just toss it. Now I've laminated this entire wing.
Did you?
And,
okay.
and the whole front of the body.
With epoxy or
No, it's
fiberglass?
it's a 0.07 mil lamination film. Just iron it on. I even did the floats.
Okay. But it really,
I've never
you
had
open
one.
it and it's loose.
Yeah, it's hard to get it off. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think it'll fall off there.
So no CG issues. Good.
Yeah, I usually just set it right where the end of that is, just about right like that. You can put a bigger battery in it, but this is the recommended battery.
Right.
Okay, that's it. Over and out.
Well done.